So I'm a senior consultant with a small boutique consultancy called Point of Care Partners. We interact a lot with practices and physicians and nurses and the folks that are in the practices, and we understand what's going on with them. A lot of that has to do with frustration with the EHRs that they're using, and quite a few of those practices tend to be looking for the next EHR that they can move to because they've outgrown the one that they're already using. The challenge with that, of course, is that you have all of this data that you've accumulated over time. And those data conversions are a pain in the neck. They're costly, they take a lot of time, they're very tedious. And of course you have to keep all that information with you. So it makes perfect sense to archive that information because you still have it, it's available to you, you can readily access it, and then move on to your new EHR without having to worry about all those conversions.